Wanted to pull that whole thing, but I think I'm just gonna send that, rig that. That's a great idea. Did you see that? She took a hit, YouTube. You okay?
I seen it. I'm like, oh!
Hey PJ, when you get a minute. Okay. Me? You see these two going into one? I like to put a rope and pull the whole thing. I don't know, man. I think it'd probably be better to get this one off, because it's just pulling down, and then get the rope in that one and just pull the one. Because we're on the way, I'll have a rope in tight, so that's what we'll do. And I'll just put a good notch in it, and we'll just snake that one. I like that better. The two at once, my gut's telling me don't do it. I want to do it, but I think I'll be sorry if I do it. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, that's. I think there was an accident. Yeah. My job would be a lot easier if this one was gone. Bye-bye. This thing's working out with the shit. Okay, Laura. Send this big one here. Yeah, I think we can pull that other one with the machine. And then I can put a rope on that one and we'll pull this whole thing, bam, bam, and half of this motor carter's gone. I'll get up there and, I don't know, I'm not gonna look that far ahead. I am gonna need, well, I'm gonna need a rope. I'll just jump down and grab it. I guess alright, I'll just drop down and grab it real fast. I'm gonna grab my 261 and was the thought, but it just wasn't panning out the greatest. Guys, look at these maps. I'm gonna put a rope right here on this thing, and you're gonna pull straight towards the trailer. This, no, the one that's sticking out.
Okay.
All right, it's going out over the fence, but if you pull straight this way, I'm not going to fall it over. We'll flip, flip, flip. I can't talk. Flip, flip, flip. Flip, 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 flip. All right. What about taxi? Going to need to be moved on the back side before we go with it. Thing was buried in the mud yesterday, YouTube. With a freaking giant oak on top of it. Smashed it there about 2 foot. Well, at least a foot and a half. Is that, yeah, no, it looks good now. That means that was her way of saying politely, stop fucking cutting on my tree. How do I reach this? Stretched out. Oh man. I need to at least get out to there. Ah, son of a bitch. Well, too far out. Oh, maybe that's the fucking problem. No. Ah, shit. Oh well. Go over here and work this out, I guess. Then I'll move forward. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move forward, PJ. Yeah, because I'll get up here and I'll be out. I won't reach, so I'll just go forward. I got all this other stuff on my way. Yeah. I was just shy of getting over there to that. Once you pull that one, pull this one, set some rigging and swing some, figure it out. Cross them bridges when I come to them. What'd you do? Oh, your hand was from yesterday? You hit it again?
I got something done back here, and it's like rear suckers are.
Yeah.
They don't feel good. Do you need something?
No, we're gonna move this thing forward, and I don't know how to do it.
Oh.
Rob's gonna have to come and do it. Yeah. He's on the warpath there. So I do not know how to work this thing, YouTube, at all. Yeah, I'm not even fucking with it. I'll get Rob to move it. Uh-oh. I need you to move me forward. Like my sign language. Oh! I know a couple other signs. You got me too close here?
Boom everything in?
No, I don't. I just came down. That's dropped down.
Hit that, it'll engage it, and hold it.
Just that button, huh? Yeah, see, you showed me that one day and I tried it and it didn't work for me.
She's got little arrows for.
Yeah, for those, yeah, but it's like the outriggers and I've never, Julio's always done it. It was Walt or Julio.
That one booms it in and booms that upper boom out.
Yeah, well, I could have figured those out. It was
The main thing is the most sensitive part is putting that back down in.
making it lined up, yeah.
It won't lay down unless it's dead on.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to put it down and it wouldn't let me.
This is Kevin.
Kevin, how are you, man? Good, not to miss you. It's nice clothes to be tearing up. Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah, sure. Okay, $20 an hour, okay? Start at 10, we'll call it 10. overrides other stuff, okay? So it lets these do other functions. Push this. You see this track one, this is your track, but if you push that button to do it, see it turns the cylinder. It's got to get it on or otherwise it won't set in there. Okay, then you just basically lower this down now.
What's
go.
it? Just
Only when you're trying to do multiple functions, you gotta push this. Like do the jib whenever it's not out, but these, don't push that any other time unless you're trying to do other stuff. See, then we'll just lay this down now. Hopefully it'll go in. It's real finicky, man.
Yeah, I know.
It'll tell you that you can't, it'll just stop, it won't let you do
Yeah,
it.
I had to do that. You just gotta be perfectly lined up.
Yeah.
Which ones to out? So do the outriggers, just do them single
Right
by
here.
Just that
Does them all four at the same time,
Okay.
auto.
All right. Well, I probably figured out now. You know, if you need
That
to do
takes
that,
it down.
let's see what we can do here.
Trying to get some crazy stuff going, we're
Go
just
ahead.
fucking destroying the
Go
yard.
ahead. All right.
Basically, this one, just keep bringing that down.
All right.
You can bring this one down now. Get it all the way in there.
Yeah. All right.
Hello, this is Robert. Hello, this is Robert.
All right, we better go back, actually. Pretty good. Y'all got in there. In there like swimwear.
You don't have to bring them all the way up, just raise them up so you can clear that
Right.
and pull forward.
Okay.
Okay, now that's right there. It'll set down. Get them up high enough to clear that bush maybe.
You want me to take that stuff now?
Grab it.
yeah.
Sit it down on there, strap it, and then take it.
And which way drives me? I override.
Easier. Nope, don't do none of that. Get them up a little higher though.
Yeah.
Should miss that bush up there.
Them bushes are getting fucked up. She don't care about them
All right,
bushes.
now these are your both tracks. You
All
gotta
right.
go easy because
Right,
you gotta
right.
do them together, otherwise it's gonna trip.
Sure. Okay.
That's good. That's good. Now pull forward. One goes
Well,
forward,
nice.
the other one goes the other direction. That way. There you go. You don't want to twist that much.
Yeah. Hang on. Let me get over here where I can see what I'm doing.
I just way up here, man.
Yeah, I am.
Maybe past that. Maybe a little bit farther.
I want to be able to reach the rest of it, so I'm figuring just where that outrigger's going to miss the tree. Probably about like that, huh?
Maybe a
Think-
little bit more, but right there, yep.
All
Then
right.
you do the outriggers the other direction, and then always have somebody try to help you break the pad so you get more sliding room with it. Yeah, it's real simple. It's just got,
I just never
all
done
it
it.
is the movements. You gotta watch how you're traveling across stuff. It don't like curves. You're not gonna do curves with it.
I bet you could too. I have all confidence
Just
in
keep
you.
going. You go. You go. It'll until it goes all the way down. It's
All right.
You can kick it. See?
Oh, I see. I see what you're talking about. Ready?
Then your bubble's over there.
What? It looks kind of jacked up here. They're gonna square it up.
Keep going. Now come back down.
It's, look, I'm holding it. That's auto, and it did that.
Yeah, let me see. It's got a...
Yeah, here, let me take this off.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's why I said it just kept bracing the front.
Which one is that, two?
Yeah. I have that. Well, that's what he said, so.
Hey, you guys don't want to get closer to that?
I think that'll get it now. Actually. Oh yeah, quite a bit. It was way back here.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. I was back pretty far.
See, you take it all the way up like this.
Well, I tried to do the auto level.
See,
and
then
just
it'll
stick
come,
that-
and you can bring it back down. See, it'll auto level on the way down, so that you're not so high in the air. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's fine.
Right here, you don't really need to be high in the air. You're pretty much
No.
right
Yeah.
where you need to be.
All right. Well,
Make sure they're solid everywhere.
that sure is out stupid, but if I get a rope in it and we pull directly that way. Hey Rob, I'm going to get a rope in this guy and we're going to pull as directly that way as we
You're not
can.
gonna hit that outrigger, is it?
That, no. No, it's not going that far.
That front tree now. And then you're done, and then you'll come over here and help with this side.
Someone handed it to me. There's no room in this damn thing.
Drink real good and cut this a little bit in it.
Hey PJ, when Lee, if any way possible, man, it'd be great to have you over here with the helmet to do this. All right, well, I'm gonna need you on a helmet.
Well,
Lee, or
you want
PJ.
PJ over here, I think he's
Well,
pretty
yeah, I
good.
just said that, but he said you told him you had to, hang on, I'm
Well,
getting
because
smashed.
he was getting,
Yeah, you were wedging me into the ground. Oh, you got control. Yeah, he said I can have you. Cause I'm gonna be doing some rigging too, so can I get PJ?
yeah, as soon as he, I just didn't want to let Lee cut everything out of the tree.
Oh man, I fucking just pulled something in my back somehow. I didn't even do nothing. Yeah, PJ, you can come back here with me, sir. Oh man, it's gonna be a long.
That should be fine, shouldn't it? You can do that one, this one and that one if you want.
The top one, yeah.
This one and this one.
Well, that lower, that one going out that way.
This one right here, you see it coming off of this dead area up there?
Yeah.
You can pull that whole piece over here. This one goes.
Well, I'm gonna use that for some rigging, I think. So, hang on, Rob. Let me see.
I mean, once you get done rigging with it, you can just pull it over here.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna, yeah. Oh man. Okay, PJ. Man, I stretched out this morning and everything. Still pulling shit. This guy. I'm gonna raise this all the way up. No, I'll send this whole piece after we get this one. Then I can do that piece. We'll pull it over this way, and I'm gonna use that center one to rig some stuff off of, you know what I mean? That'll be my high spot to rig some stuff. I gotta rig this shit out, you know, so. Well, I'm cussing a whole lot. I'm not even upset. Just for no reason? Fuck. For no reason. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, I see. I think maybe just go ahead and bring this guy, this guy all the way up. So now, yeah, that's it. I'm still experimenting and trying to learn the capabilities of this thing. I probably should have actually left it about midway. I think would. Oh man, look, it's looking up. I think about it. Yeah. Let me bring him down just a little bit. All right, let's do that. Leaves on the warpath, huh? Okay. Happy good pool right here. Oh, it got the climber. He knows that much, that much English. Yes, yes. Well, that's better than freaking the other one. We had a guy here. He was a good worker, man. Lonnie, super good worker, but he didn't speak a lick of English. Nothing. Nothing. And I don't speak no Spanish. No habla. So there was a slight communication barrier. But if you just point, and he was like, bam, he got up there and did it. Yeah. All right, I'll have you hand me my, oops, all right. 261. Yeah, let me get into proper positioning. Yeah, it's just. £510. I don't know, man. You better be good buddies. Two people in here. Julio and Julio and Ramsey. What do you think of that, Julio? Ah, I'm just playing with you, buddy. Yeah, that was fun. Boots. Alright, hang on. I'm still not in the where I need to be. I need to be in a good spot so it don't catch me, you know. Maybe a big mount. Oops, wrong way. You gotta be real careful with this thing because it's delayed. You push the button and it don't want to do it. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Where you at? Okay. I'm gonna hand this down for now so it's out of my way. Oh, I got so much room in here. Yeah. Okay. A happy notch, and we're gonna pour right. Yeah, towards the tree. You know, as much towards as yeah. Oh yeah, that's got a whole bunch of weight. So I would like it to be pulling as much towards the green trailer, straight that way. You know what I mean? Because the more of that, yeah. Oh man. Oh. Tuck it in. Well, gotta do it exactly right, huh? PJ, I think you ought to be on that thing with the helmet. PJ? Okay, all right. Hate not being able to talk to the person that's pulling, you know. All right, pull too soon, you pull too not enough, smash the fence. Whose fucking fault is that? Yeah, yeah, I know. I just, yeah, they was pushing. I was feeling it. Big one. Yeah. I need the rope. Yeah, all right. I don't know, man. It almost be super great to swing that shit right to there. This piece, well, I mean, you use this as a rigging point to swing this stuff over to here.
Yeah, how high into this do you want to go?
I'm just going to go and take this whole piece here. That way I get out to there. I'll use this next one as my rigging point. That's what I was going to do. So,
Yeah, I found that.
yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm going to. That's the plan.